Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to create a login page on Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end. Follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can log into your account, after which you will be able to access your dashboard. So under your dashboard, you can find all the websites you can access, and you want to find the website that you want to create the login page for. So after opening up your website, you can click the website button right here. It's going to open it up, and now we get started with browsing all the sections we can access, such as our website right here, pages, products, and so on. So basically guys, here on the official Help Squarespace website, you can see how you can get started creating a login page. So basically guys, you can go ahead and create a custom login page using HTML options. So basically what we want to do is to go ahead and create a structure mode, open up your structure mode, and then next to the communication you want to click on add page. So under add page guys, you'll want to choose HTML and click select and configure. Add a page title and click create page, and then in content mode you want to add a link to your login URL and tips for logging in. So here you can find some tips. What you want to do is open up this thread right here and follow it one by one, because it consists of a lot of programming and a lot of HTML that you'll be want to using. So it will be too much for this video right now, but what you can do is go ahead and open it up right here in edit mode. So here is our edit mode where we can get started with opening a structure mode and finding all the options we have. So here you can get started with adding your custom HTML and adding the code that you found right here in the spread and get started with creating the login page. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.